Hi guys, so I'm going to be testing the Tankman, but I'm sorry if you cannot hear it because I'm on headphones so that I could hear it properly. I'm sorry if you're using headphones, then you're lucky because I'll also take off the headphones after this. I'll do some test with the sounds. Let's go. Dun 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 dun. So now, if you're wearing headphones, you might be lucky to make your max hearing. So yeah, I kind of took it off so that you can hear it now. It's normal. Yeah, I kind of turned it off. So if you're wearing headphones, you're lucky. Now, if you're wearing headphones, please wear it right now so that you can hear the beautiful big bass. And also, I'm using the big and chick mom. Please, headphones or earphones if you can. So guys, please, I'm just imagining the sound to make it the right track. So here it goes. I'm going to say like words so that you'll know. I'm also going to like yes. So bam, 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 boop, boop, bam, bam, ba, ba, doot, doot, dun, 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 dun. Dun 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 doom. It's like da na 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 na, just like in the end. So you can also replay the video. For headphone users, please use it in this video because you might not hear it at the first, but just wait, okay? So now that I have notifications, goodbye for all.